मीडिया में तो बहुत सारी चीज़ दिख रही होंगी, बुर्ज खलीफा भी गिरा दिया उन्होंने तो। आई एम टॉकिंग ऑन 7th of March टुडे 6:14 6:14 PM. I am here standing in Ritz-Carlton Pune doing my Dubai Property Expo amid the war situation, and it was houseful today. You will see some footage showing today's events. Mid of this, in total of this 7-8 days of war, do you know how much transaction has happened? 2,349 transactions, 8.15 billion dirhams. Now, one more thing. There was just one single transaction that was recorded for 422 million dirhams, sold by only one single project that you can see. The data is available online, even you can go and see that. Now, इसके बीच में भी if you think कि अगर दुबई में property prices गिर रहे हैं, there is going to be panic selling, there are going to be some discounts. Many of my clients and investors are saying this, अभिषेक 20-30% में कुछ कम में आ गया तो मुझे बता देना. बॉस, मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, prices from here will just go up. I'll pin a link what Mohammad Alabar said yesterday. Emaar is going to rise prices and the developers will follow suit. So if you're still thinking that the prices will fall after the stability in the Middle East, after Iran's president just announced today, few hours back, that they will not disturb the GCC countries or the neighbors and will not be attacked by any missiles. And if you still think that the prices will fall and there will be a dip or a correction, you're wrong, my friend. This is the time you buy. This is not the time you sell. So if you are seriously inclined, I am doing a Dubai Property Expo in Pune, in my city, on the 7th and 8th, that is today and tomorrow. Today is almost done. We've done good transactions today. Tomorrow is also a day that you can come and visit me. But this dates I'm specifically mentioning because 3 साल बाद भी जब ये वीडियो में दिखाऊंगा तब कुछ और crises होंगे. So this will be the date that you will be able to see it is visible. The transactions that you have shown it to you are on the government website. आप खुद जाके देखिए. To know more details, connect with me and my team. We are here to guide you through and through, from end to end. We stand with UAE, we stand with Squaria in this, and I will see you soon in Dubai or in Pune or wherever in the world you are. Think Dubai, think Squaria.